In the previous summer art series, I have drawn 2 summer flowers and I was thinking about what other flower should I draw. I asked my audience, but I think they're so shy to comment, so I decided to search on the internet for some inspo. And I finally decided to draw daisies. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you have been enjoying the summer art series so far. Daisy lovers, come and get ready with me to draw this flower now. Grab the mentioned materials and let's get right into it. This is the simple guideline. We don't want it to be so complicated. Only the simple lines are enough for us to give us a stunning drawing. And as always, we're going through 3 stages of drawing, which are the sketching, shading, and blending process. Honestly, I drew this flower pieces just as I was looking at the picture reference. You too let your artistic side to take over, embrace it, and allow your pencil to draw however you see. Now that we're done with this sketching stage, it's time to shade. This flower does not need too much bolding, so we're directly jumping to the shading process. Pick a 6B or 8B pencil. Keep the pencil soft and draw in a curved way. And the same goes with all the remaining pieces. Make sure you darken the bottoms of the pieces, the place where they connect to the core of the flower. Everyone, thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. If you liked it, please share your opinions in the comments below, subscribe for more art drawings like this, and also share with your friends. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Goodbye.